Today on Mom's Cookbook Collection, we're going to be taking a recipe from another one of Mom's well-bookmarked cookbooks. This is Best Recipes from the Backs of Boxes, Bottles, Cans, and Jars by Ceil, Dyer. Galahad Books, copyright 1992. Today we're going to be doing Easy Chicken Tetrazzini, and I will be modifying this recipe, of course, and adding a few ingredients. Ingredients: 1 8-ounce package of spaghetti, 1 envelope of Ceil's gravy mix for chicken. I couldn't find Ceil's gravy mix for chicken, so I'll be using McCormick Original Country Gravy. 1 1/4 cups of milk. I will be using evaporated milk. 1/4 cup of cooking sherry. 2 cups of cooked cubed chicken, and I will be using a Cajun chicken. 1 4-ounce can of sliced mushrooms drained, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. I will be using mozzarella cheese. I'll also be adding 1 orange pepper and a 10-ounce bag of frozen peas. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare the spaghetti as the label directs and drain. Place the spaghetti in a greased 8-inch square baking dish. Mix together the remaining ingredients except the cheese. Pour the mixture over the spaghetti. Sprinkle with cheese. Bake for 45 minutes until bubbly. Let stand 5 minutes before serving. Makes 4 servings. Well, I let it cool down a little bit so the cheese had a chance to congeal, and it looks and it smells awesome. I used an angel hair pasta, and it's just the way it just comes out. It's perfect. Oh yeah. And taste the cheese, though. The sherry, and this country gravy. I use McCormick's country gravy. And taste it. It really works well with the overall recipe. This one came from Best Recipes from the Backs of Boxes, Bottles, Cans, and Jars by Ceil, Dyer. This is Galahad Books, copyright 1992. And it was Easy Chicken Tetrazzini. Now I used some Cajun chicken, so I'm going to call this Easy Cajun Chicken Tetrazzini. And the original recipe came from Ceil's gravy mix for chicken. Makes a short work of a very special supper dish from this recipe printed on the Ceil's envelope for the past 5 years. Madame Tetrazzini, who inspired the original dish, would have approved them. McCormick's Original Country Gravy just was a perfect substitute. And as I like to say, this recipe was a winner.